Hello and welcome to the Zyxel Support Campus channel. In this video I introduce the latest entry of the NWA series with latest 802.11ax wireless standards. Let's see in this video. Hello and welcome to the Zyxel Support Campus channel. The Zyxel latest family entries is the NWA50 and 90AX in Pro version. What is the meaning of Pro version? It shows that the antennas in the 5.0 GHz network have been increased so that the speed is also enhanced, and to get that into the network you also have a 2.5 gigabit LAN access port. So let's see what is inside this little box. The NWA50AX is delivered in an eco-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard. You can find the quick start guide and the FCC declaration, as well as the product with a stylish white housing. On the underside you find the power connector, the 2.5 gigabit LAN connection and the console port. On the bottom label there are information such as the serial number. Also you can find the power supply in the box with a EU and UK plug face and a little bag with a rubber inside that helps the fixation on the mounting plate. There is another bag with plugs and screws for wall and ceiling mounting. The mounting plate is also in the box and it shows different holes for installation methods. This is the position for the little rubber that helps to fix the device on the mounting plate so it can't be removed without tools when it's installed in an accessible area. To install the devices you need the Nebula mobile app or the Nebula Control Center access. Let's see how easy you can establish the connection to this device in 4 simple steps. Installing Nebula devices is very easy in 4 simple steps. You don't even have to unbox the part. All you need is the Nebula Control app on your mobile phone. You can get it in the App Store or at Google Play Store. Create an account or log in with an existing account. Then you create a site and set up some country and time zone settings. Next step is to scan the device QR code on the box or on the back side of the device. The device is added and then registered to your site. Then you can start to prepare the device for booting up, connected to the internet and the power source. And the last step is to create a wireless profile for this device, or you add it to an existing. Once you create it, everything is registered to your Nebula dashboard. You can see the device is online in the dashboard, and also the LED tells you the status about the devices. Your device is ready and you can connect your mobile devices now. With Nebula it makes networking very easy. For any questions about our product, please visit support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 700 help desk documents as well as the contact to our support team and warranty information. We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can follow us on social medias, for example Facebook. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.
If you want to see more videos of our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified.